Hello friends, and today we will know about Ericsson 2G, 3G, 4G configuration. Okay, and again, I'm saying that this video will help to fight interview if you're going to attend interview in Ericsson. So that's why I'm saying that you can watch full video, then you will understand everything. Okay, so let's continue. This is our Ericsson baseband 6630. It support 2G, 3G, and 4G and 5G also. But in this video, we will learn only 2G and 3G, 4G configuration. So we will know about this hardware and connection. This is first sector, and we are using combo antenna, and combo antenna has 6 port. You can see in this video. Okay, and RRT port also there. Here we can connect RET and RRT we can connect from here to our radio. Okay. 3 course comma triple band. Here you can see, I mean, say this is 3 sector site, and here we are going to use 3 comma antenna. Okay, this is our RRU. We are going to use 3 RRU in each sector. So we have 3 sectors, so we need to use 9 RRU. Here we have a power plant. Okay, we have to give power from here, from here to RRU and our basement. And this is power cable. We are connecting power cable from rectifier to radio. I mean power plant to radio. We have to use 20 ampere MCB as per Ericsson standard. And this is for power cable for BB6630. Here we need to use 10 ampere MCB for 6630. This is a standard. We are using 16630. We are using 3 radio 2219. It support 1800. And we are also using 3 radio 2217. It support 800. And we are also using 3 radio 2212. It's about 2600. So 1800 we are using for 3G technology, and 2217 800 we are using for 2G, and 2212 2600 we are using for LTE, means 4G purpose. Okay, so here we need to connect the jumper from radio to antenna. So we have 2 port in radio, so we have to connect 2 port from radio to antenna. This is our RAT cable, so RAT cable connecting in this radio, because this radio support 1800. You can see here radio 2219 V3 1800 radio is here. This is for 2217 B20 800 for 2G technology, and this is for radio 2212 B7 2600 for LT technology. Okay. Now you have to give connection from basement to radio. So you need to connect to optical cable. So this is your optical cable. You can say also fiber. Uh, you need to use each cable in each radio. So you can see here. So we have in first sector, you can see here in first sector we have 3 radios. So we need 3 optical cable or fiber cable to connect from basement to radio. For second sector also we need 3, and for third sector also we need 3. Okay, this was for first sector, and this is for second sector, and this is for third sector. We are using 16 ampere and 16 ampere and 20 ampere. We are using 16 ampere for 2212 B7. I mean 2600. 16 ampere we are using 2217 B20, means 800, and 2219 we are using for 20 ampere for 1800 band. Okay, so this is I mean a standard MCB which we can use for this radio. Okay, This is for second sector, because we are going to install also second sector, so we need to use 3 RRU in that sector. So we are giving connection from here, and this is for third sector. Total, so we have 3 sector. Total we need to install 3 per sector, 3 radio. So total we have 9 radio we have, which we can install on tower. Okay, this is laptop. We can log in from LMP port. You can see connection. You can log in from here. LMT has 2 port, LMTA, LMTB. You can log in from LMTA. Okay, login port from LMT. This is your GPS antenna. You can sync GPS from here. Okay, GPS antenna, and also we have mini link 6600. So you can connect here mini link here, and this is media cable, you can say, and mini link 6600. Login cable, you can see from example given here. You can identify cable from here. This is jumper cable, and this is RET cable. This is power cable. This is fiber cable, and this is media cable. Now we have also second sector, you can see here, and now we have third sector. So guys, I was telling about a connection of 2G, 3G, 4G connection, and again I am saying that this video will help to fight interview. If you're going to attend any interview for Ericsson, so they will ask about this, how we can give connection if we have 2G, 3G and 4G technology on site. So see, you can say we need 3 combo antenna, okay, which support plant technology, whatever technology has been planned on site. And how many comba we need depends on also sector. If you have one sector, then you have to use only one comba. If you have two, then you can use two. If you have three, you can use three. And also RRU also you need, see, this is first sector. In first sector we are using 3 radio. So if we have 2 sector, then we will use 6. If we have 3 sector, then we can use 9 radio. So if we have the 3 sector configuration, then we will use 16630. You can see here, I mean hardware details here. One double 630 we are using for this side, and 32219 which support 1800, and 3 radio 2217 which support 800, and 3 radio 2212 which support 2600. And also they will ask about MCB. Okay, what type MCB we are using for baseband, and what type we are using for 2219 and 2217 and 2212. So you can say this is Ericsson standard MCB, which can we can use for these are radio, okay, and baseband also. Now you can also know, already I told in last video, okay. So you need to know about details of port, okay, which port we are using for which purpose. So here you can see this is our transmission port, and this is EDL port. We can sync from basement to basement if we have 2 basement on site. And these are optical port. So total we have 15 optical port. You can see in this section 5 optical port is there. So we have 3 section, so total 15 optical port is there. Okay, TNC and TND also, this is sync cable. We can sync from one basement to another basement. We have also sync port. We can sync a GPS from this port. LMT port here we have, so we can log in LMT. We can log in basement from LMT port. Also we have alarm port, so we can give alarm to rectifier. Okay, so these are details given. I hope this video also will help to fight interview. Again I'm saying, okay. And guys, if you like this video, then you can subscribe my channel. If you want to ask anything, you can ask in my comment. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.